Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And thank you for subscribing my channel. We are reaching more than 10,000 subscribers on our channel. Thank you all my subscribers and those who are going to subscribe my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet as act as an option scanner. So asking some doubts and questions regarding yesterday's trade on OB Reality. So first of all, if you want to take a trade, so the 100% should be a breakout opportunity. And if you want to get that 100% opportunity, once it is triggered, and we are using a weekly, monthly, and intraday. So let me wait. So three things I want to let you know. So the first concept is about 100% should be the opportunity that breakout. So and that should be a fresh breakout. The fresh breakout is nothing about the stock or the particular strike price should be break the level after 9:30. So why we are ignoring that first 15 minutes? Maybe due to gap up and gap down, some of the stocks may not given you the opportunity. Okay, if you are taken that for example, if I am taking for an Ara Pharma 36 hour entry point, by opening itself it's showing you 37 or 38. It is gap up. Okay, so most probably if you have any gap up stocks which happen in the first candle, so there is chances for reversal from the top also be possible. So that to avoid that only, so in the first 15 minutes we are not going to place any orders and we have to wait for it. Okay. And the second thing, so if any stock which same gap up which is happening, it is open above our entry point. So after that it moves down below to our entry point. Then once again, if it is break the same 100% or the breakout level, so we can go for it. Okay. And it's mainly created for my advanced option strategy students. They know, those who attend my classes, they know very well how to place a stop loss and target, or once the entry point triggered, how can we apply an hedging strategy also, they know well. So if you are using the sheet alone, so you can apply your own strategies from the sheet, and this is what a concept which you are going to uh, get a right trades. Okay, so for example, Bharati Airtel, so 950 for this week. So as of now, so we have some stocks which is triggers. So I will be go for Bharati Airtel 950 call option. So this weekly opportunity which started from the Monday, right? So the sheet is updated from, this is what an entry point from 20 to 24. Okay, so that is what an entry point which you are looking for. This weekly sheet is 20 to 24 this week. So here entry point in this week which triggers. So for example, STFC Life which I am looking for a 23.860 650. So I'll show you that. So here it went up to 24. That means it has already triggered our entry point 23.8, and today it triggered more than 24.35. Then that means it simply triggered our entry. After trigger that entry, it moves down, and here you can see the price which is triggered around 12:30. That is what after 9:30. So it is a valid entry, but after that entry it moves down. So if you missed out this entry, you don't going to take entry at the lower level. So if it is moving down, or you can watch any other charts and indicator, you can try. Or if you already taken, so you can keep with your stop loss and you can wait for your target. So if you are positional strategy which you are planning with that, so you can keep your stop loss. Or sometimes it is can be the entry price can be triggered in the first 15 minutes. That stocks don't try to buy at immediately if it is keep. So it must be go below that level. Again, once again it goes to break the level, then we can plan for a trade opportunity. So second one, OB Reality. So there is a 2 times opportunity yesterday and today. I'll show that 1340. This is what on trade. So our entry point should be around 60. Yesterday it started with initially 60 is our entry point. So let me mark that 60. You look at this. Here is the first 15 minutes candle. Immediately after the breakout, it went up to maximum of 75. So from 60 to 75, it went, and after that it moves down. So if this is what a valid entry, and if you are holding, and what is the yesterday's low, maybe maybe may not be triggered our positional stop loss. Okay, and today it started moving higher, and it moves towards 79 today, even slightly higher than the previous day entry. So in this case, if you are taken, so here is the point where we can apply our hedging strategies. You know well, So we can use for FO strategy, SBB strategy, whatever the strategies are 2.1 or 3.2 kind of strategies which we can apply. So if we apply in this kind of thing, so we can reduce our risk. Again, market is moves, we can make money. But if you are missed out this entry, market is moves at this point around 71. So if it is falling down, don't try to take at 60 level. So you should wait. It must be go down, and again once again it back above to the 60 level, then you can plan for an opportunity. That will be a very great one. Or if you want to plan, you can take this an opportunity. So that point you can try to take an re-entry opportunity. That is called a re-entry. So I will show you some other stocks. In the put side, I think Balakrishna 264078. So Balakrishna Industries 2640. Yeah, that is what a strike price in put side. And let me go for checking that put. Here is the day 20th 9:15, that high is around 64, where our entry point is 79. This is also be a valid entry, but still it is moving towards the target. After it is a deep in the money, there is a liquidity issue. If you are looking at any option, so you need to confirm with whether the option is trading with liquid or not. I think one more option, any other thing which happened like that. So we don't find it, but in monthly or weekly, same concept you should use. The concept is very clear. After 9:30, you should find out a fresh breakout, and within a week time frame or month time frame, that should not be broken the same 100% level. Before that, that we consider as a fresh breakout, and if it is breaks that level, maybe in 2 days back or 3 days back, and if it is lower and it is not considered as a fresh breakout and it's considered as a re-entry, only that level again is to break, then we can focus maybe about India, something like that. Same like that intraday. So intraday, what is happening here? Someone was asking, this is what a condition which you are using Camarilla R4 level to break. Okay, so once the Camarilla R4 level to break, so that we are looking for an opportunity. So in gap up and gap down scenario, the Camarilla levels always be very small in options. We are using the same thing in options directly, and I will show you that. So someone who asking about the doubt and questions. This is what a camera level and important level which you are looking for. R1, sorry, R3, S3, S3, R3, and R4, S4, maybe. So this black line should be my breakout. Let us assume. You can look at this stock. Yesterday, it has opened above to that level. So in the first 5 minutes candle itself, it was crossed because maybe market gap up or gap down. So many options, which is because this level is the R4 level is around 47 and S4 level is 30, just about 17 points. But it is started with higher than this point in the first 5 minutes candle. That stock, sure, it will be reflecting here. What I'm just thinking for, after 9:30, I should go below any stock which is having good volume with not crossed above that 100%. That is what my opportunity. So you can easily find out. Don't focus the top stocks. If you want to focus the top stocks, you can use any other methods to try or methods to trade. Okay, so let me check Ashok Leyland 172, whether what is happening on 172 call option. You look at this. Today, it is not broken that level, but that level is broken by 12 o'clock. So this is what my expected thing which I'm looking here. So we need to find such a kind of opportunities on the sheet. Then for an intraday, so this is the level and 3.85. So if you want to make a smaller risky trade, so you can keep as a R3 as a stop, or if you are taking pivot also be a stop, and risky taker you can take as a S4 also stop. It depends on your convenience. What is the condition it meets on this particular intraday column is it is breaks above R4 level. Okay, so whatever the stock which broken that R4 level will it is reaching the 100%. It will reach the 100%. From that level only we can look for. So Havels 1280. Let me check Havels 1280. When it is broken, you can look at this in the second 5 minutes candle, but this is also works well. But what I am ignoring, if any stock which breaks in the first 15 minutes candle, I should not go for this. I am just ignoring it. Is what a gap up one. Okay, so if you are looking at this one, is giving you the trigger in the first candle, so I don't consider, but this is giving you some movement, but I don't consider that. Okay, so SBI Life 1390, it's about intraday. strike price 1390. So look at this. This is what trigger which is happened today, na? So you can see the trigger which is happening only at 950. So this is what a fresh breakout. So we can use for an intraday. So maybe from 28 to 23, maybe the stop loss or below to that R3 can keep us a stop loss. And we need to find which is going to break. Okay. So I'm also working for the sheet intraday. If any stock which triggers and that we need to mark in a different colors that I'm looking for. But it may be in future we will be updated here in the sheet. But as of now, so we need to find out manually. We even we can get some good opportunities in intraday by using that sheet. I hope you understood the concept of how I'm going to use for our positional sheet and monthly. Monthly is about already given you a lot of opportunity. So it is purely work based on my positional strategy like advanced option strategy concepts. So we have a lot of opportunities, more than 40 stocks which triggers our target. I hope those who are attend my sessions, they know very well. From that 40, we are not looking for all the 40 stocks. We need 3 to 4 stocks in a month. That's good enough. I hope you enjoyed this session. And if you have any other questions and doubt, also you just ping me. And if you know more about this Google Sheet to get you, here in the video itself, my number is displaying. You can just contact me the number and you will be getting more details about this particular system. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and keep supporting and subscribing the channel. Thank you.